If you've been searching for a luxury SUV that doesn't just look tough but actually delivers real capability, the 2026 arrives as a seriously compelling option. This is not just another mild update, it's a complete redesign that redefines what the GX lineup stands for. Lexus has taken everything people loved about the older GX, its reliability, off-road strength and premium feel, and rebuilt it with modern technology, improved performance, and a bold new design language that finally brings it in line with today's expectations. The first impression starts the moment you see it from the front. The styling has evolved significantly, but it still carries the DNA of. The spindle grille is still there, but it's now more upright and integrated into a boxier, more rugged shape. It feels less like a design statement and more like a functional element. The headlights are slim and aggressive, featuring modern LED lighting that gives the SUV a sharp and confident expression. The front bumper is more squared off, adding to the tough, almost truck-like personality. This is no longer a soft luxury SUV trying to blend in. It looks like it's built to take on harsh environments while still maintaining a premium presence. As you move to the side profile, the GX 550 really begins to show its character. The boxy silhouette is intentional, and it works incredibly well. Unlike many modern SUVs that lean toward rounded, aerodynamic shapes, this one embraces its rugged roots. The straight lines, high roofline, and large windows not only enhance visibility, but also give it a commanding road presence. The wheel arches are pronounced, housing larger wheels that further emphasize its off-road readiness. Ground clearance is generous and the stance is wide and stable. There's a sense of durability here. You can tell this SUV was engineered with real-world use in mind. Not just urban commuting, from the rear perspective, like the view shown in the image. The GX 550 continues its strong design language. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the tailgate, adding a modern and upscale touch. The bold Lexus lettering replaces the traditional logo, giving it a more contemporary identity. The GX 550 badge sits neatly on the rear, marking the new generation. The overall rear design feels wide and planted, which visually reinforces stability and strength. Even the bumper and lower trim pieces are designed to look functional rather than decorative, which ties in perfectly with the vehicle's rugged nature. Stepping inside, the biggest transformation becomes immediately clear. The interior has been completely reimagined, and it finally feels like it belongs in the modern luxury segment. The centerpiece is a large, high-resolution infotainment display that dominates the dashboard. It's responsive, easy to use, and supports all the features you'd expect, including smartphone connectivity and advanced navigation. The layout is clean and driver-focused, with controls placed exactly where you'd want them. The quality of materials is exactly what you'd expect from Lexus. Soft leather upholstery, high-grade plastics, metallic accents, and precise stitching all come together to create a premium environment. There's a strong sense of craftsmanship throughout the cabin. At the same time, it doesn't feel overly complicated or futuristic. It's still practical and intuitive. Physical buttons and knobs are retained for essential controls, which is something many drivers will appreciate, especially when driving off-road or in challenging conditions. Comfort is another area where the GX 550 excels. The front seats are spacious and supportive, making long drives feel effortless. The second row offers plenty of legroom and headroom, ensuring passengers are comfortable even on extended trips. The third row, while improved compared to previous models, is still best suited for occasional use or shorter journeys. However, the flexibility it offers adds to the overall practicality of the vehicle. Cargo space is generous, especially with the third row folded down. Whether you're carrying luggage, outdoor gear, or everyday items, the GX 550 is more than capable of handling it. There are also plenty of storage compartments throughout the cabin, making it easy to keep things organized. When it comes to performance, the GX 550 marks a major shift. The old V8 engine has been replaced with a modern twin-turbocharged V6, and this change brings several advantages. You get more power, improved fuel efficiency, and smoother delivery overall. The engine feels responsive and strong, providing plenty of acceleration whether you're merging onto highways or climbing steep terrain. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, gear shifts are quick and seamless. The driving experience feels refined, which is something you expect from a luxury vehicle. At the same time, the GX 550 hasn't lost its rugged edge. It still rides on a body-on-frame platform, which is essential for serious off-road capability. Off-dash road performance is where this SUV truly stands out. It comes equipped with advanced four-wheel drive systems, terrain management modes, and optional features like locking differentials. These systems work together to ensure maximum traction and control in difficult conditions. Whether you're driving through mud, sand, snow, or rocky trails, the GX 550 remains composed and capable. The suspension is designed to absorb rough terrain while maintaining stability, giving drivers confidence in challenging environments. On regular roads, the ride quality is surprisingly smooth. Lexus has done an excellent job of balancing off-road toughness with on-road comfort. The cabin remains quiet, even at higher speeds, thanks to effective sound insulation. Steering is precise and overall handling feels controlled, making it easy to drive in both city and highway conditions. Now let's talk about pricing, which is an important factor for many buyers. The 2026 GX 550 is positioned as a premium luxury SUV, so it comes with a price tag to match. The base model is expected to start somewhere in the mid to high $60,000 range. As you move up to higher trims with more features, advanced off-road packages, and luxury upgrades, the price can climb into the $80,000 range or even higher. While that might seem expensive, it's important to consider what you're getting. This is not just a luxury SUV, it's a vehicle that combines premium comfort, advanced technology, and true off-road capability. Few competitors manage to deliver all three at this level. Additionally, Lexus has a strong reputation for reliability and long-term durability, which adds value over time. If there are any suggestions to consider, it would be to carefully choose the trim level that fits your needs. If you plan to use the GX 550 primarily for daily commuting and highway driving, a base or mid-level trim might be more than enough. However, if you're someone who enjoys outdoor adventures or plans to take the vehicle off-road frequently, investing in the higher trims with specialized features would be worth it. Another point to consider is fuel efficiency. While the new V6 engine is more efficient than the old V8, this is still a large, powerful SUV, so fuel economy won't match smaller crossovers. It's a trade-off that comes with the level of capability the GX offers. Overall, the 2026 Lexus GX 550 feels like a well-balanced evolution of a classic model. It stays true to its roots while embracing modern design, technology, and performance improvements. It doesn't try to be overly flashy or trend-focused. Instead, it focuses on delivering a reliable, capable, and premium driving experience. As we wrap things up, this SUV stands out as a strong choice for those who want a luxury vehicle that can handle more than just city streets. It's built for people who appreciate durability, comfort, and versatility in one package. Whether you're navigating daily traffic or exploring off-road trails, the GX 550 is designed to handle it all with confidence. That's everything for this detailed review. If you're considering stepping into a luxury SUV that offers both refinement and real capability, the GX 550 definitely deserves a spot on your list. Let me know your thoughts. Would you choose this over its competitors, or is there something else you'd go for?